Today I'm going to show you Grammaire animee, a project developed for second-year intensive French students at the Residential College of the University of Michigan. I'll show you how they experience it and talk about some of the instructional design decisions that we made. French can be a difficult language to learn. One problem is that there are 15 different pronouns available, and you must choose correctly based on the context of the sentence. Here is a chart showing each possible permutation of the chain of logic you follow to determine the correct preposition. You ask questions, and the results point to the next clue. This chart is always available for review. The aim of the application is to help students automatize this sequence. Let's see how the definite article affects pronoun selection. We know that authentic tasks increase learning. Here we listen in on some student gossip. 2 professors were observed together in a coffee shop. Could a scandal be brewing? The scripts included sentences where the pronoun pattern is used to replace a noun, modeling how people talk in real life.
Tiens, je vois le professeur de maths.
Le prof de maths?
Oui, le prof de maths, je le vois. Et voilà la professeure d'anglais.
La prof d'anglais?
Picking the correct pronoun involves answering a series of questions. Students must memorize the questions in sequence, but here we scaffold them by displaying the questions and highlighting the answers. Before clicking to see the next question, students can anticipate what it will be. The first question is, what noun do we want to replace with a pronoun? Clicking the question displays the answer in the 3 example sentences. You see the next question by clicking the Q2 button. Now we determine the grammatical function of the noun or phrase. The answer here is that it is a direct object. In this case, it's the lack of a preposition that is the clue. We signal in the examples the place where we would expect a preposition to occur. Which determinant accompanies the noun? It's the definite article. Now we have all the information we need to pick our pronoun. So what is the correct pronoun? Drum roll, please. It's actually the 4 pronouns shown. We see them poised above the examples. Next, we'll watch as the sentence structure changes and hear the result.
Je le vois. Je ne la vois plus. Je peux les voir ensemble.
That's the grammar in motion, Grammaire animee. By making both the decision process and the sentence changes visible, we engage multiple sensory modes while letting students set the pace and direction of their practice. The project included a small help document, and a glossary of terms used. Let's view another exercise so I can show you another way we scaffold learning the chart. While going through the questions, students have access to a live chart showing them the choices they've made. It appears one step at a time. This answer moved us 2 questions along the chart. The object of a preposition puts us in the lower bracket, and the a puts us on the a branch. Each answer gets us closer to the correct pronoun. Here the last clue is that the verb describes a mental action rather than communication. I told you French was tricky. And the correct pronoun is? Again, we see the correct answer and the trail of logic that led us here.
Il s'intéresse à eux. Il ne pense pas souvent à eux.
Students get to go through all 15 scenarios as much as they want. Thank you for listening. I'm Alex Sergey.